Airbus H225 Super Puma. The long-range twin-engine passenger transport helicopter is the most expensive helicopter in the world. Designed by Eurocopter as the next-generation Super Puma, it can carry up to 24 passengers and 3 crew members. Initially, the helicopter was named Eurocopter EC725, but in 2015 it was renamed H225 in accordance with the corporate branding of Eurocopter into Airbus helicopters. The flight range is 857 kilometers. The cruising speed is 275 kilometers per hour and the cost is $27 million. AgustaWestland AW101 helicopter. The AgustaWestland AW101 is a mid-range helicopter introduced to the market in 1999 by AgustaWestland. AW101 is widely used by military forces around the world. For example, this particular model is used by the Royal Navy and the Air Force, the Italian Navy, the military in Denmark, Portugal, Norway, and some European countries. The flight range is 1,360 kilometers and the cruising speed is 278 kilometers per hour. The cost of the helicopter is $21 million. Sikorsky S-92. Sikorsky S-92 is a twin-engine, medium-lift helicopter built by the famous aircraft and helicopter manufacturer Sikorsky for civil and military purposes. The S-92 has a full aluminum frame and a 4-blade rotor to reduce noise and vibration. The military version is called the H-92 Superhawk, and there is another version called the VH-92, which is used by the United States Marine Corps to transport the President. Other users of this model are CHC Helicopter Corporation, Bristow Helicopters, and Cougar Helicopters. The flight range is 1,000 km. Cruising speed is 280 km per hour. The cost is $17.7 million. Airbus AS332L1E VIP Super Puma. This mid-sized 4-blade twin-engine helicopter is one of the 4 most expensive helicopters in the world. It was developed and marketed by Aerospatiale and Eurocopter, now Airbus Helicopters. This is an extended and modernized version of the original Aerospatiale S8330 Puma. The flight range is 841 km, the cruising speed is 252 km per hour, and the cost is $15.5 million. Bell 525 Relentless Helicopter. Bell 525 is an invention of the American helicopter company Bell Helicopters. This medium-sized helicopter is built using a special metal composition and can reach a maximum speed of 296 km per hour. The helicopter is powered by a pair of GE CT72F1 turboshaft engines, and its main rotor has 5 blades. The 525 Relentless can carry 16 passengers at a time, as well as 2 crew members. The flight range is 926 kilometers and the cruising speed is 287 kilometers per hour. The cost of the helicopter is $15 million. Sikorsky S-76C helicopter. The Sikorsky S-76C is a mid-sized commercial helicopter manufactured by the Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation. Production of the S-76C began in 1977 with outstanding features such as twin turboshaft engines, 4-bladed main rotors, and retractable landing gears. The S-76C is used by many famous people, including the royal family of England and the last president of the United States, Donald Trump. The flight range is 832 kilometers. The cruising speed is 287 kilometers per hour and the cost is $13 million. AgustaWestland AW139 helicopter. AgustaWestland AW139 is a twin-engine, medium-range helicopter manufactured by AgustaWestland. AW139 was first introduced to the market in 2003 as a VIP transport, maritime transport, as well as transport for firefighting, law enforcement, search and rescue operations. Since this helicopter was originally designed by Bell and Agusta Helicopters, it was called Agusta Bell. The main users of this helicopter are the Irish Air Corps, UAE Air Force, Qatar Air Force, and CHC Helicopter Corporation. The flight range is 1,250 kilometers. The cruising speed is 206 kilometers per hour, and the cost is $12 million. Airbus Helicopter H155. The Eurocopter EC-155 is a two-engine long-range helicopter that can carry 13 passengers and a pilot. The EC-155 was introduced to the market in 1999. It was renamed into H155 in line with Eurocopter's rebranding as Airbus Helicopters. This helicopter is marketed as passenger transport, VIP corporate transport, and maritime transport, but is widely used by military services around the world. The flight range of the helicopter is 857 kilometers. The cruising speed is 322 kilometers per hour, and the cost is $10 million. Eurocopter EC-175 helicopter. The Eurocopter EC-175, also known as the Airbus H175, is a mid-range helicopter built by Airbus Helicopters. This helicopter was manufactured in 2008 and was certified 3 years later for civilian use and for transportation. EC-175 is equipped with a digital motor control system and has a 5-blade rotor. The flight range is 1,259 kilometers. The cruising speed is 300 kilometers per hour, and the cost is almost $8 million. AgustaWestland AW109 helicopter. AgustaWestland AW109 is a twin-engine light helicopter manufactured in collaboration with Italian and British companies. The production of this helicopter began in 1971 and was introduced into the market in 1976. The helicopter is widely used by military services around the world. Its main users are the Italian Army, South African Air Force, Swiss Rescue Air Force, Royal New Zealand Air Force, and many more. The flight range is 932 kilometers. The cruising speed is 285 kilometers per hour, and the cost is $6.3 million. Thank you for watching. Hope it was interesting. Subscribe to the channel, put your thumbs up, ring the bells. See you soon again.